Hi there. Oh my god, I can see myself. Oh, lobat ka na.
Hello, everyone. Today is Friday, September. Oh my god,
15.
sorry. 15, and the time is 11:34. We are heading to
Washington!
To the Puyallup State Fair. Yes, it's the Washington State Fair. It's the biggest event that they're running for the entire month of September. We went last year, so this year we're gonna go and see what are
the odds?
No. What's up there for us? What's waiting for us? Anyways, so we just got done eating our lunch. We are here in our favorite Filipino
Restaurant. So that's the one we always buy sisig over there. So yeah.
Yes, and then where did we go next? No, before we went lunch, we went to the post office to drop off something. And then now let's go.
All right, Alexa, show me the direction.
Okay. Let's do this. Puyallup Fair and Event Center. We're almost there. We're gonna look for that parking lot where the houses are, because it's a little bit cheaper. This is the parking lot, and you have to pay $15–20 for parking. However, on this side you'll see there's some houses that anywhere that says $10.
Thank you.
So I think it'd probably be September 15.
So we're freaking inside now, and all this amazed in the foods.
Yo, oh my god! I just ate and I wanna eat again!
Try all those foods.
That's where we ate before.
Map right here. I don't know, where are we? Try a look.
Oh,
So-
we're right here because that's the complex.
So Hobby Hall. Hobby Hall.
Young Life Teriyaki.
Even old New York was once to Amsterdam. I think change and I can't see. Just like it better that way. Take me back to Constantinople. We can't go back to Constantinople. Out of this there hole. Constantinople. Out of Constantinople. Get the works. That's nobody's business but hers. That string tied around my finger. Oh, what a world, oh, what a life.
That's the elephant ear right there. Look.
Where's Chelsea? Chelsea, your elephant ear.
Super fancy. Can we buy one?
In your dreams.
So phone cord, 10 feet phone cord. That's pretty long for a phone charger, right?
No. Yeah, 10 feet, and then it's $15.
15 bucks.
The one I have is 6 feet, and I bought it for $12.
That's for the hobby hall. Oh, you scared me.
sun goes down, our spirits free. Nothing left but our energy. Take my hand, we can go and see a world unknown. Come explore with me. No, explore with me. Yeah, explore with me. No, explore with me. Oh, my friend, my brother, if I could say just one last thing, I would say how much you mean. Don't look down now, now, my brother. Someday will come when this makes sense, but for now it's time to rest.
Alright. We're back in the car. I'm sick.
Not only you, me also.
I don't feel good. That was what? 2 hours inside the fairgrounds. Sorry, I don't have life.
So we ride this ride, the vertigo ride, and really it gives us vertigo. We feel like
I mean, it looks
sick.
easy, but when you're up there, I
It's
don't know.
different.
But I didn't feel this last year.
Me either. Maybe this would be my last ride for the vertigo ride.
Oh my god, look at that. They won this big old dolphin.
It's a shark lap. It's
Oh,
not
it's a shark.
dolphin.
How are you gonna fit it inside? It's so cool.
How much is it? I'm going to buy from them. There you go.
Alright, so what's next on our list?
So we're heading to South Washington to meet up with Giselle,
Marie
and Dog.
Yeah, they're also YouTubers. Dogs,
YouTubers, Filipino vloggers, and blah blah blah. So we're heading out there and just to meet Marie because Dog is on a mission. He's not there, so and this is our time to.
Oh my god, I can't.
Alright, see you in Marie's place. Alright, so we're here at Manchester's crib and we're digging here. We're checking the backyard. Oh, this like amazing. So finally we met Gazelle.
Hi!
What is this? Squash?
That's red cabbage. This is shishi.
Shucks,
This is
it's
shishito
cabbage.
pepper. Actually, this is sweet.
So,
Sweet
pwede mo
peppers.
siyang ganyan tapos lagyan mo sa tuwid suka.
Yeah. Pero ito wala masyadong
Anghang?
anghang. It's not too spicy.
But ang laki.
This one is spicy pepper.
What? Ang laki!
Yung nilalagay niya, kinakat in half and people put like ground beef and then they...
No, actually, that's the Anaheim
Ayun ba yung
pepper.
isa?
Right there. Yeah.
Wow. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Try look this onion. So big. Green onion.
They
roll it.
Tapos, yeah.
What kind of tomato is this?
That's Cherokee.
Chowking?
Cherokee. This is hybrid cherry tomatoes.
Oh,
Oh my god, that's so good.
Thai dragon pepper. So this is a ano ba to? Food yard compost. I'll try to copy this thing soon.
Paano to kainin?
What is that called about? Plum? Spell.
P-L-U-M.
Isa lang eh, plum.
Plum.
Ito yung inaano ni Mama. She slices and put it in water.
Oh, okay. So,
Food trip.
It's good. Yung ano dito? Foods.
Uy, grabe ka, hindi kinakain ng ganyan yan.
yeah, pick mo lang.
Hello.
Wala, sige, okay, kain ka pa. Oh.
I-try mo kaya. Kaya ang payat-payat mo.
Hindi ako mahilig sa food. Right, we do the veggie pecking duck. Right here is the Manchester's farm crate. Go get the scissor and let's fill this thing.
I'm full already. Plum, grapes, cranberries, what else? Tomato. Man.
Here, itong talong.
Ayun, malaki oh. The other side.
Oh yeah, that one is okay.
Take the whole thing. Just kidding.
Can I have one more? Eat it po. Yay! I'm gonna put it in my suka. This one.
Woohoo!
Oh, it smells so
Pag
good.
may sa...
Yep. Oh, that.
You call this one?
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This smells good.
Yeah.
Organic ano?
Light lang na.
Yeah.
Lightweight.
Small. Hi there. Oh my God, I can see myself. Oh, lobat ka na.
Yeah, kaya maganda kasi you can see yourself.
Ang ganda ko pala dito sa camera.
For now, Gazelle.
Bye!